Welcome to the demo on digital payment service on UPI by Vikaspedia. UPI stands for United Payments Interface. Now we'll start the demo using United Bank of India UPI applications. Now I'm showing the installation steps and configuration required for using UPI transactions. Now I'm downloading UPI application, United Bank of India UPI application from the Play Store. Once it is downloaded, clicking on open. This is the welcome screen of the UPI app we installed. Click Me will send an SMS through your linked mobile number to verify the bank account. For which normal SMS charges would be applied. We need to give password will be the application login password which asks every time once you open the application. After filling the form, you would be getting a screen where initially you need to add your bank account in order to perform the transactions. These are the list of the banks which supports UPI payment service. Now I am selecting State Bank of India. In selecting the account number, click on submit. So account is registered successfully into the application. Now we need to create a virtual address which is used for performing any transactions. Now we need to give a virtual ID before starting the transactions. So virtual address is created successfully. We need to set a UPI pin which is used for transactions. So now we need to provide the last 6 digits of debit card number and the expiry details in order to set the UPI pin. Now after the details are submitted, we need to give the MPIN which we wanted, which will be used for transactions. And we need to enter the OTP received to our mobile. Now MPIN is created successfully. Now after adding the bank account, you can view your balance. So we need to provide the MPIN. So now it is showing the available balance in the account. Now we would like to explain sending amount through virtual address and sending amount through IFSC and account number. So the first option will be showing sending amount through virtual address. Now we need to click on pay. Here it will be showing the virtual address list which is already added. So here you can find the two options, virtual address and account number plus IFSC code. So we need to select virtual address. Now we'll be entering the virtual address. We'll be entering the amount and remarks which is optional. Now I am submitting the details. Once the details are submitted, it will show a confirmation screen with the details and the payee name. Now we need to provide the MPIN which we generated earlier. After transaction, you will be getting transfer successful message. Now we will be seeing transferring amount through IFSC and account number. Now we are entering the account number. Now we entered account number, IFSC code and now amount and remarks. Clicking on submit shows confirmation screen. Now we need to provide the MPIN generated earlier. This is the transaction completed successfully message. Till now we saw the payment options. We can also request money from other people, but we need to have their virtual address. Here we need to give the virtual address of the beneficiary from which we wanted to request the amount and enter amount and provide the remarks. It will alert them with the request. Here you can add one more virtual address. Here one more option is you can change the login pin. The other options available are you can change the MPIN by clicking on set pin. It will show you the accounts available. On selecting the account, it will once again ask the debit card details and expiry date, on submission of which you can change the MPIN. There is an option of manage accounts where you can view the existing accounts. Here you can delete the account by clicking on delete button and you can edit the account by clicking on edit button. And clicking on yes, you will get the options where you can change the limit and the expiry date up to which this virtual address will be useful and the virtual address. There is an option change pin. By clicking on this, you can change your pin in order to log into the app. So here it is giving an option to enter new MPIN in order to log into the app. You can find the transaction status by clicking on transaction status and selecting the date. It will show you the list of transactions performed on that date. Now here you can find 3 transactions where 2 transactions got failed and 1 transaction succeeded. You can scan the other application QR code and you can pay them. In order to scan the QR code, click on scan and pay and scan the other mobile QR code. For more information on the UPI service, you can visit Vikaspedia, http://egovernance/digital-payment/united-payment/interface. Thank you for watching the video.